Hello Bon Bakers and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole and today we're not going to be doing any baking. Oh, can you believe it? I actually just wanted to say a big thank you, do a little recap and let you know a few things before the end of the year. So let's get started. The year 2020 has been such a crazy year for so many people, myself included. There's been so many changes in people's situations, and for example, my husband and I, at the beginning of the year, we were living and working in Japan. We're in regional Japan, near the mountains, snowboarding every day, and then COVID hit and we had to come back to Australia. And in the end, it was something that I ended up being very grateful for because it meant that I could dedicate more time and energy into Le Bon Baker, because previous to that, I did feel like I didn't give enough time and energy that I wanted to really let this channel bloom, because I did feel like Le Bon Baker had taken a little bit of a backseat, and now it's really nice to come back and be able to give that renewed energy into Le Bon Baker. Since I've been back in Australia and working on Le Bon Baker, I have been able to get to 3 times as many videos as what I usually would. I've also tripled my following, which I am so grateful for. And I've now also written 2 ebooks. I'm so excited to share this information with you, and I will leave more information in the description box below. But I've got one ebook out there called Home Delicious. It's lots of sweet and savory recipes for the home baker, and you can get it for free from lebonbaker.com. All you need to do is enter in your email address and you'll receive it straight to your inbox. And then my other ebook is a Christmas one, and it's such a fun, festive time of year. Christmas is all about celebrating with your friends and family, and usually sharing a lot of delicious food and sweet treats, which is where I come into it. And this ebook has a lot of my favorite recipes, and there's a really nice combination in there of recipes that are from my Australian heritage, and also some that have been passed on to me from family, and some recipes are also inspired from my time spent living and working in Canada. Make sure you grab that ebook. All you have to do as well for that one is head to lebonbaker.com, and that one will be available for purchase. Just before I leave you with a little video that wraps up some of my favorite recipes throughout the year, I just wanted to let you know that next week's video will be a bloopers reel. So that one's gonna be a little bit embarrassing for me. Apparently there's quite a few bloopers that have been collected throughout my filming sessions, so make sure you watch that one next week, and then after that we'll be back into my video recipes again. I wanted to wish you all a very happy Merry Christmas and say thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen this year and following me along on my baking journey. I hope that you've been baking some of these treats, and as always, I love to hear from you. So make sure you leave me a comment or send me a message. I always love seeing them come through. As of next year, I will continue to bring you video recipes to help you level up your home baking. And really for me, it's all about getting people in the kitchen, baking more. I really just want to inspire others because it really is so much fun, and that really does bring me a lot of joy. So I hope that you'll join me on the journey and continue following me as we bake together. Enjoy this little video of the year 2020 for Le Bon Baker. Merry Christmas! can just be completely creative. How cool do these look? Hello, Bomb Bakers! Got it. So just make sure you've got clean hands.
Can't stop laughing.
I hope you have a great day.
Okay.
Mic check, mic check.
Mic check louder.
Mic check, mic check.